Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can put GIFs on Capcut. I don't really know how you pronounce it correctly. Is it GIFs? Is it GIFs? But I say GIF. But to put it on Capcut, you're going to first download a GIF on Google or whatever, and then I'm just going to open up a project or a video. Then I'm going to choose overlay, and I'm just going to press add overlay. Then I'm going to select the GIF I want to use, and then I'm just going to press add. It is that simple. And that is basically it. I hope this super short tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!